What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are taking a look at the Bitcoin price on the 4-hourly chart at major resistance at the moment, okay, at the $47,000 range. If this holds nicely as support, it is going to be extremely bullish. If we break below it, it is going to be looking a bit bearish. I'll show you the levels in this episode. We're also taking a look at Bitcoin Cash, guys. I was talking about this major resistance at the $1,035 range, and if this broke out, we were going to meet the $1,200 here for a potential double top. But we absolutely exploded out from this resistance. If you took this trade, congratulations, you made insane profits. A shout out to John here on the comment section saying, thanks Andy, your Waves TA made me the fastest 43% profit I've ever traded. If you have made any profits from my signals, guys, please let me know in the comment section. And we're also taking a look at Link at major resistance. If we break this level, it is going to be insane for Chainlink. We might be seeing potential highs here for Chainlink in the coming days, and also eGold, guys. Elrond, I got somebody in the comment section saying please check out eGold, and I'll pull out the charts. If you got an altcoin that you want me to check out, leave it in the comment section. Also, this ascending triangle has been going for weeks now, guys. We are going to take a look at some potential targets and different levels for Elrond. And remember, if you are interested in trading, guys, PrimeXbt is my favorite day trading platform. If you use my link in the description and Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code, you can get 50% in addition of what you deposit, guys. And Bybit is my favorite swing trading platform. If you use my link in the description, up to $1,610 in bonus, guys. And said this, let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. I'm not a financial advisor, don't buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Said this, let's go straight into the charts. All right, zooming in here on the 4-hourly chart for the price of Bitcoin. All right, let me just get this ascending wedge out of the way, because this ascending wedge is from the breakout of this descending wedge, okay? And this is a bigger pattern, it is stronger. This ascending wedge was from this descending wedge breakout, okay? So I'm going to stick with this descending wedge target, which is all the way up here at the $62,000 levels, okay? The top of the wedge. Right, let's take a look at Bitcoin here. You can see that we got a nice bounce from this this support level, okay? This is the resistance from this descending line, okay? This trend line to the downside, and it turned into support, and we got a nice bounce to the upside. Also, we got a nice bounce here from this support line, okay, which is the $53,000 area. And now let's zoom in here on the 1-hourly chart and see what could happen for Bitcoin in the short term. Right, we are staying above the $57,000 range, okay, 56,800, more or less around about this area where I have this orange box. Very important to stay above it, and also very important to break this level over here, which is the 58,900, 58,800, okay, this high over here. If we manage to come above and break this high over here, well, it's going to be looking very, very bullish for Bitcoin, okay? Because we already created this double top scenario here. If we retest it again, you know, in my opinion, it is going to be more likely to try and break it to the upside than doing like a third top and then turn it over. But now we are retesting this support level. We haven't reached the level here, so we are retesting this $57,000 range, as you can see here. If we break this $57,000, then we'll be coming back down to retest the $52,900, the $53,000 range, as you can see right here on the chart. So what can we expect now in the short term? Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. I did see some analysts here talking about this potential bullish flag right over here, which is this over here, as you can see. And yes, we did not break out with a huge amount of volume, but it seems like that we are getting a small bounce here. This has already met the target if you count this as the actual pole from the flag. The flag is too big, really, in my opinion. But as you can see here from the breakout, you know, we kind of met the target right over here. So what can we expect? Well, I'm expecting a nice bounce from here. We might get a nice bounce, okay, and continue to the upside to meet these highs over here, like I said. And if we manage to break these highs to the upside, it is going to be looking very, very bullish for Bitcoin, as you can see here on the 2-hourly chart. So This is what I got for Bitcoin, guys. No potential trades here. I want to see some more price action because it looks like that we are kind of making around here like a dead cat bounce, because this is a huge drop and now we're doing this, and I don't want to see this happening and coming back down. Okay, what I want to see is Bitcoin breaking above these highs over here, almost at the $59,000 range, and then it's going to be looking very, very bullish, guys. It is going to be looking like a V turnover. All right, so we'll be checking out Bitcoin here in the next coming days. No potential trades, in my opinion, for Bitcoin. And let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash. All right, as we talked in the intro, okay, we broke this resistance and we met the target here at the $1,200 range. We broke this other resistance, okay, and now that's why I've got this orange box here. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash on the 1 hourly chart and zoom in here. Okay, because we did break out with some decent amount of volume, and now we are creating these highs over here. Not all-time highs, because Bitcoin Cash went over $3,000 in early 2018. Sorry. Let's take a look at this resistance right over here that we just created, okay, which is just at about the $1,460 range. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart to see if we can find any potential short-term trades. Okay, well, zooming in here, we can see this major resistance, okay, like I showed you right now, and this is at the $1,460 area, and we have created this support level. And it also looks like that we are creating a kind of cup and handle formation here on the 15-minute chart. Okay, we did break out from this channel. Now it looks like we want to retest this high again, okay, the $1,460 range. If we manage to break this, guys, this resistance point, it is going to be really, really bullish. Okay, this is going to confirm the cup and handle formation, and the measured move from this breakout is getting the lower part here of the cup to the resistance, and from the breakout, guys, we could come all the way up to the $1,630 range, 1,600 to be conservative. Let's take a look at the bearish scenario. Well, we could come all the way down and retest this support area. Okay, and this would be a double top formation on the 15-minute chart, and the measured move is from the resistance down to the support, and from the breakout, guys, this could be a move of about we could come down all the way to the $1,120 range. Okay, we will get supported from this point over here, okay, which is also the high that we created right over there at the $1,200 range. So if you were shorting this breakout, this is a good point to take some profits. This is what I got for Bitcoin Cash, okay, in the short term, looking at the 15-minute chart. Let's take a look at Chainlink, guys. If I zoom out here on the 4-hourly chart, or let's go to the daily chart better for Chainlink, because Chainlink is hitting major resistance, okay, as you can see right over here. This resistance has been forming since June of 2019. As you can see, we have the first point here, then the second, third, fourth, and now we are doing a fifth attempt. Okay, if we manage to break this to the upside, well, it is entering price discovery. If I zoom in here on the 4-hourly chart for Chainlink, okay, it looks like that we are creating a kind of double bottom formation, but always creating higher highs and higher lows, as you can see here on the chart. So we are going higher every single time here, as you can see, and we've got this resistance. This could potentially be a huge kind of Adam and Eve, but it's inverse, because usually the Adam is the spike and then the round bottom, but a kind of double bottom formation, you know. And if we break this resistance point where we're hovering around now with a decent amount of volume, well, this could go as high, you know, if from this low all the way to this resistance point, you know, the potential move, the breakout could take us above the $60, okay, $60 to be conservative, which would be a great trade. We need to see some good volume and a nice green candle. We might get rejected here and start turning over, and we could be creating a kind of double top scenario, but this is all to be confirmed. We need to see some more price action. We're just hovering around this range. Let's go to the 1-hourly chart, but I think we just need some price action here for Link. Okay, we're just around this resistance point. In my opinion, the most likely scenario would be some volume kicking in here and making higher highs for Chainlink. Okay, potentially going all the way to the $60 range. This is what I've got for Chainlink, guys. Let's take a look at eGold. Okay, Elrond is forming this ascending triangle. This started, okay, at the beginning of February. when we created this all-time high for Elrond just above the $230 range. And now we are creating this ascending triangle. Now this ascending triangle is all the way till the end of June. Obviously we are going to break out before the end of June. As you can see here, we are creating a kind of double bottom scenario here. This is not a cup and handle because the handle is going below the 50% of the cup, so this would be invalid, but it is kind of a double bottom scenario. We've got this major resistance that we can see, which is at the $235 range. So if we come back and retest, this is going to be a potential breakout. Elrond is a great project. Okay, I do believe it's got a bright future. The measured move from this breakout is getting here the lower part here from this ascending triangle, and from the breakout, we could come all the way to the $380 range, $350 if you want to be conservative, guys. So this is a great trade of, let's check out the percentage, from here all the way to the $350 range. This is a 50% move. eGold can be traded on Binance Futures. Okay, if you use my link in the description, if you haven't got an account on Binance, you'll be saving 10% in fees. Okay, so this is what I got for eGold. If we do break to the downside, guys, it could go as low as below $40, but I do not think this is going to happen. I think that we have been consolidating around this area. We are creating higher lows, so this is looking very, very bullish. I do believe that we eventually be coming to the upside. If we do break to the downside, I think it's going to have a Cardano effect. Okay, we will have a fake out to the downside. Okay, we'll be consolidating and then getting back to the triangle, then breaking to the upside, guys. We're going to have to see some more price action for eGold. This is going to be it for today's episode. If you haven't checked out the Bitcoinsensus website, you need to check it out, guys. We've got great articles, we've got price predictions, we've got exchange reviews, how to buy, how to store, and how to trade Bitcoin safely and other cryptocurrencies. You need to check it out, guys. We've got the latest here. It is great information. And if you haven't seen my Bybit or my PrimeXbt tutorial, there's a video popping up on your screen. A massive thank you for tuning in, guys. Make sure to smash up that button on your way out, and I'll see you in the next one.